Yeah, I'm going to make me a Resident Evil 2 for the page because I have no Resident Evil vids on my page. So I'm going to make this one. Yeah, go and skip that intro. Don't want to see all that.
Resident Evil 2.
Yeah, we'll skip that too. Skip that. But I am gonna watch this though. I'm gonna watch this.
What have we got here?
Guy's a maniac. Why'd he bite me?
Dude had no problem knocking the shit out of that zombie. If he known he a zombie bird, Panic be eaten alive.
Man, what a mess! What could have done this? What was that? What are these things? All right, that's far enough. Don't move! Don't move! No! What's up with that guy? That was a clean hit. I'm running out of ammo here.
Oh! Wait! Don't shoot!
Get down!
Okay, why couldn't he do that when he was shooting other zombies?
It'll be a lot safer. There! Buckle up.
Okay. What's going on? I arrived in town, and the whole place went
Great.
insane.
The radio's out.
You're a cop, right?
Yeah, first day on the job. Great, huh? Name's Leon Kennedy. Nice to meet you.
Mine's Claire. Claire Redfield. I came to find my brother, Chris.
Wow, that was a nice power slide. Leon should think about becoming a race car driver.
Hey, could you open the glove box?
Sure. There's a gun inside.
Better take it with you.
Oh, that's all you can say. Just look out. Why don't you put a bullet in this fucking brain? You're sitting right there with a gun in your hand.
You okay?
Still in one piece.
That maniac's gonna ram us! Station. I'll meet you there.
Okay.
Alright, here we go now. Oh man, thank God those zombies weren't any closer than they are now. Otherwise I would ran straight into them like a dumbass. Let's make sure not to make any more mistakes like that in the future.
Freeze! Who are you? What are you doing here?
Hold your fire! I'm a human!
Sorry about that. I thought you were one of them.
What's going on in this town?
Hold on. I don't have a clue. By the time I noticed something was wrong, the entire city was infested with zombies.
I thought there'd be some ammo over there. Guess not. Guess it must... Yeah, there's only 2 of them in here. And without warning, zombies come out of nowhere. Dude should have been paying more attention. I mean, if there were 4 of them out there in the window, he should have at least saw him in the corner of his eye. I guess he's too busy watching me pillage his gun store for ammo. Well, I'm gonna do more than that. I'm gonna pillage a shotgun off of him. So these motherfuckers stay down and die. Stay down and die. You want something? Are you still alive? Die. Good. I'll take that shotgun off you, buddy. I appreciate it. I guess the game won't let me go back outside. Oh well. Thanks for the shotgun though. Yeah, I appreciate you opening the gate since the game won't let me do it. Take care of you guys. Yeah, going to eat this ammo. I think I'm running past this guy. Oh shit, no. Oh shit. Get the fuck off me. Get the fuck off. Run. Get the fuck out the way. Get the fuck out the way. Get off of me. Damn you. Oh, that was close. He almost got me too. Thought it'd be ammo inside that trash can. Must be in the other ones down the stairs over here. Yep, it was in that one. Okay, see if we can get by without getting bitten. Okay, run. Oh shit. Oh shit. Woo. Yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, I remember this part right here. You can run straight past these zombies. Right onto the bus. Okay, I think there should be ammo to my left. Yeah, I thought the other end of the bus. I'm gonna let the zombie bite me, so I'm gonna kill her without wasting fucking ammo. I'm gonna go and put 3 into him. Okay, 4. I know when I was smaller, I could never get past this part without getting bitten. See if I can do it. Okay, yeah, go up. Oh shit, that was close. Yeah, you can't catch me. Yeah. Could have killed him all with my shotgun. That's a waste of ammo. Wasn't there probably a zombie down here? Damn, what the hell his name is? I can't even remember his name. Shit, fuck it. I'm gonna take this herb over here.